Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am still playing with my Meeden paint. And I want to swipe some, which I'm completely addicted to swiping, so there's a tiny amount of water added to my regular recipe in this white and this black. But other than that, it's the same recipe that you can find under the description when you open Show More. Now I'm putting them in the shovels because I want to be able to have a fairly even coating, and I'm hoping this is going to work. You know what? I'm not going to worry about it. It's going to be what it's going to be. It's going to be more than that. You can make a shovel out of almost any kind of refuse, I find. I have quite a few of them, and friends of mine bring them to me all the time. The number of things you can do with shovels is amazing. And there's all kinds of, there's a whole playlist of dustpan. The playlist starts with the word dustpan. Dustpan, shovel, and scoop. So I'm just going to take whatever's left in there. And Tara's going, yep, she's making another painting on the way to the painting. Just want to spread that around. I can't help it if I'm artistic. I think the bottom line is I just want you to just do it and not worry about it, and then as it goes along you figure out that you can do more than you thought you could. And it doesn't have to be something out of the gate, it just has to be a start. Oh, I'm still running out. I thought I put more in there. So I'm putting the black and the white down basically to be a catalyst. I can't help that I like mark making, or that dipping the shovel in helps spread the paint around. And every time I play like this, I find that there are things that I enjoy doing that might come in handy at some other point in some other creation, that it's just nice to know about. I'm going to grab the rest of that paint. I'm going to use some gold, I believe. I want to put some regular black across the bottom, although I was going to put blue. So I think that's the Venetian blue from Modern Masters. No, Masters Touch, excuse me. Why don't we just go all in? What else do I want in there? Let's put a little bit of lighter blue. That ought to be enough to cover. I have no idea where this is going to go. I just start. I'm going to wipe off my spatula on the edge of my canvas, and then on my Lolify mat, silicone mat, where I discover all kinds of color combinations that I never imagined I would love, that I love. It occurs to me I did not grab myself a wedge, but I have them handy. I have all kinds of them cut. Small, large, medium, you name it, I got it. Get rid of a couple extras. This is what I'm talking about, the wedges. I'm going to throw my two shovels in the bucket. I don't feel like taking the time to clean them out thoroughly right now. Well, I thought I was going to use some red. Maybe I will. That's magenta. Okay then, I grabbed the wrong bottle. That's okay. I really like magenta with blue better anyway. As long as we're after it. I have some Color Art pouring medium mixture hot orchid. I'm not sure. I think I put a product called Vivid in there. I'm very interested in swiping sideways or in a roundabout fashion, and I think I'm going to enjoy using my biggest card. This is a similar idea to a painting I did recently with reds and pinks. I can't actually pull that canvas over to the edge and wipe off any of the paint that's on the card and fully utilize it. I'm going to use my smaller tools. I love the cells that this Meeden makes. I can't hide my pleasure. I just absolutely love it. I do like using the card to shuffle paint. And the residuals. So maybe it's time to get that bottle out of the way that's catching my turntable and pick up what I consider to be a smaller card. There's the one I wanted right there. And even if I start sideways, I have a smaller tip. So I can use the width, the widest part, and then I can bring it all the way back around. I can dip. Okay, so the person in the other room on the phone, whether you can hear them or not, does not remember that I am recording. And I'm kind of sending them a psychic message that they should just chill, but it's not working. It's very distracting. But so far I'm doing okay. I like that white. Do I need more of it? Do I want a smaller card? I kind of think I might. I like stopping and letting the paint relax right off of whatever I've got. I like these colors over here, but they're so different than everything else, which might be actually a good thing. So if I do that again, oh, okay. That's That's pretty cool. I wasn't sure I was going to like it for a second, but I do. I'm just going to pick a few spots that I'd like to add the color that I wish was there. And then just drag through. All right. Okay, so hopefully I can tell you guys that I'm almost done. And you can believe me this time. And I have a little bit of naked canvas there. Any paint on my turntable or on my cards can go on my edges. I kind of want to pull some black through this. Where's my black? Some black right through there. Because I'm pretty sure it's going to sell. Yeah, that makes me happier. And still a little paint too. I wish I could get my bottles out of the way. Okay. I will worry about my edges later. I will tell you guys I'm really happy that you were here. There's over 71,000, going on 72,000, excuse me, 92,000 subscribers. Wow, that was a mistake. Getting closer all the time. I want to put a little bit of blue right in here. The nicest thing about the Meeden paint is that colors that used to sink don't sink. And that looks perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And hopefully we won't watch it sink. I could have used some more purple in here. I think everything is pretty copacetic. So where was I? I was going to tell you guys that I have great appreciation for your wonderful comments. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. If you're interested in winning a painting, you might want to check the end screen video in the last 20 seconds. There's an exhibition video every month. I see something that I want to play with. I really haven't spent any time using chain or a straw with this Meeden, so maybe that's what I should do next. So you can also find this Meeden, did I mention, on my Amazon link under the link tree under the video. And any shopping you do on that Amazon link, you can buy anything on Amazon from that link, and it helps me out a little bit. So I love this. It's very abstract compared to the last one that was kind of chic. It aired on Valentine's Day, I believe. But I really wanted to use that pink, and I love the drama in here. I keep seeing things I want to change, though. I think putting the torch down is probably a good idea. There, I'm a little happier than that. And every time I run my card through, I have more paint to put on my edge, which doesn't hurt my feelings either. So let's torch a little bit longer. So I have over 1,800 videos. Should you guys be interested in checking those out, look on my YouTube channel and look for all playlists, creative playlists. If you need a link or you want a link for a playlist, just ask me. I'm happy to help you. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. You can find my email address to contact me in that regard right under the link tree under the video. It's also the place to contact me if you are interested in making a purchase of an artwork. Oh, I love the fact that I can do a black mark in there. But I'm really wanting a little bit more gold right there. All that I'm required to use is a skewer. Just a little integration. Do I need anything anywhere else? Maybe it needs to be a spiral just because what's a painting of mine without a spiral, honestly? So I want you guys to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Don't forget my thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. If you watch my videos longer and watch when the notifications come out, and leave me a comment. All those things are very helpful to my channel standing. If you watch the commercials, you help me buy art supplies eventually, sometimes. What else? The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Instagram is where I post my dailies. Pinterest is where I post a lot of merch, but mostly you can find the videos there if you want to. The Night Before Teespring clothing is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I'm going to quick like a bunny get up on my stool and give you guys a close-up. I'll probably fix my edges with, wow, this is awesome. I'll probably fix my edges with some black. Look at those cells. Woohoo! They are everywhere. So that was a successful experiment, and I'll use what I learned. Come on, back. Oh, yes. To teach myself what I might want to do again. I could do a whole checkerboard. I should get some more of these colors. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. That's really interesting. I love the middle of this. I'm going to turn that timer off. That gives me a couple of minutes to tell you everything I forgot to tell you already. I don't think I'll need that. I've told you pretty much everything other than the fact that on my link tree there are Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks that you can find, of the edited artworks. Some of them, maybe hundreds, but not thousands. Well, maybe thousands. Anyway, I completely lost my train of thought when I started looking over that. I love you guys. You'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Facebook groups will take you to pixels.com and Find Art America also. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More. You can find all kinds of merch. If you ever want to see something reproduced, just let me know, and I'll have it added to my current inventory on my websites, and it can become a print or a legging or something cool. And I'm not sure why I moved that stool away. This is just I'm flabbergasted. All right, you guys, bye for now. Priscilla out before I get myself in more trouble. See you anon. Take care of each other. I told you that. I love you.